It's time to build that roof to the gate. I've got these 30-year-old fence boards. And when you sand them just right, not too much, you can really see some incredible grain patterns. This piece from the fence built in the 90s still has the tag stapled to the bottom, just cutting it off to make it flush. And then we're gonna line it up. I'll use a previously cut piece. Not a ton, just enough to knock some of the dirt off. Like little staples. Keep them from coming apart anymore. When I first built the gate, I didn't use any metal fasteners in the structure, so I'm gonna do that for as long as I can. I'm chiseling out a channel in this top lintel so I can put in a frame to attach those fence boards to. And the fountain keeps flowing. Well, the time has come. I'm gonna attach the boards with metal screws. I considered trying to use a dowel or maybe some pins made from dried hardwood twigs. But you do what you do. It's gonna be beautiful anyway. Giving each board a slight overlap, and as usual, just checking the distances with my fingers, tack it into place. That's the thing. Just what I wanted. It looks like it's already been here. 15, 20 years. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.